Hello people, today we make a glue with milk proteins. Before starting, please like and subscribe. These are proteins, which I precipitated out of expired milk long ago. Before doing an experiment, I want to do a little test. Ninhydrin is a reagent specific for amino acids and peptides. It reacts forming a blue-violet colored product when warmed in solution with them, which makes it perfect for a qualitative analysis. The analysis is performed on for test tube. The first is the blank, the ninhydrin aqueous solution only. The second is a solution of the amino acid tryptophan. The third and the fourth are our milk proteins. Some water is brought to 7280 C on hot plate. The first tube with the blank is placed in the water bath and kept for 15 minutes. The ninhydrin solution does not change in color, it remains yellowish, as it must be. This means the reagent is still good. The second tube contains the tryptophan aqueous solution. Once the tryptophan completely dissolved, 1/2 a pipette of ninhydrin solution is added. Very quickly, an intense blue-violet color is formed, which proves the test works very well. The proteins did not dissolve so much, but the blue-violet color is developed on the solid. This is considered a positive test too. Now it is sure those are proteins, let's make the glue. The first protein portion looked better, so I work with it. 10 grams faux proteins is added to 25 milliliters of water in a 100 milliliters beaker, and brought to 7280 C. Then, 20 milliliters of 15% sodium hydroxide aqueous solution is added at once. The mixture is stirred with a spatula, it slowly becomes a uniform suspension. Lastly, 3 grams of calcium hydroxide are added. Stirred a bit and then the mixture is left on hot plate 80 C almost until the volume is reduced to 25 milliliters circa, where it acquires the consistency of a perfect homogeneous fluid emulsion. The glue is tested both on paper and wood. While still hot, a portion of the mixture is applied between 2 paper sheets. The glass rod is rolled on the paper sheet, a second one applied on it. The sheets kept pressed under a glass jar. The same procedure is applied for 2 wood pieces. The glue spread still hot, another piece applied, worked a bit and then kept under pressure. Samples are left overnight, then sheets checked for results. The paper sheets have been glued poorly. The milk glue has not been so efficient. With the wood pieces instead, the milk glue has done a wonderful job. Not even applying a medium force is possible to separate the 2 pieces. It means this kind of hot glue is specific for this material. Once cool, the glue solidifies into a paste, but if warmed again, it melts and can be used once more. This categorizes it as an hot glue. I store it in a little glass jar for future uses. This video ends here. Thank you all for watching.